So we start off today's video with this pool noodle DIY project. So they're simply gluing this around the perimeter. Looks like they have some kind of bucket or canister. And then they're going in with some black spray paints. Oh, very nice planter. And this is a great beginner-friendly project too. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trendy. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone with some cardboard pieces. So they're simply gluing these. Wow, what an amazing ceiling light. That is just crazy. I wonder if they like spray painted that. I wish we would have got a little bit more detail, but what a cool project idea. That is just insane. So it looks like we have someone making some type of like cover for their succulent there. So they're making more of like a little decorative piece. Really pretty, nice and cute design, simple and chic. I love it. So here we have some brown paper, some little wooden pieces. So I think this person is either making some type of ceiling light or a lampshade. Oh, it looks like a lampshade. Well, I'm just gonna guess that that's what it is. So they're adding some little wooden pieces on the top. Oh, I really like this design. Very cool. So it's a ceiling light or pendant light. Wow. Very cool idea. Giving off that nice like bohemian aesthetic. And then here's another boho inspired DIY. So that's a cute little shelf, very nice, and it's also functional. Looks pretty and it's functional. Can't go wrong with a project that implements both of those. And then here we have a furniture flip. People love showing their like cats and dogs when they make these videos. Now I actually really like that like chestnut color that it has. Well, let's see what she ends up doing. And she paints right over it. I mean, if it's not your style, it's not your style. Oh, she painted it pink and white. I don't know, I wasn't expecting that. Wow. She kind of put like a nice little girly spin on it. Put the gold knobs. Very cool. I still like the original color though. I'm not gonna lie. I did like the original color. So here we have a very easy beginner-friendly project. So she's basically going to be painting these bottles, turning them into vases. This is like, if you're going to like get into the world of DIYs, this is like the first project you should try out. Well, maybe not this exactly, but some type of like spray painting bottles, painting them. That's like the easiest project that you can try. She made a nice little basket with the rope. Very pretty. Very nice. Those flowers look beautiful too. Or what is that? It's not flowers. It's like some type of leaf. I'm not sure what that is, but that's gorgeous. And then we have a DIY featuring some popsicle sticks. So this is a pretty easy project too. And there's so many different ways that you can play around with this. You can use this as like a planter, vase. You can use it as a pencil holder, your makeup brush holder if you painted it a pretty color. Just so many different ideas. So she has two different sizes here. Looks like she's gluing them together. Oh, she's adding in some fancy accents here. Oh, it's so that she can, oh wow, so she can use it as like a hanging planter, I guess? Or just like a hanging design. Oh, that's pretty. I was not expecting that. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.